Made it to the beach. Those are all fires. Just gotta find my friends. We made it! Wow, this is cool. Hello, friends.
Hi. It is cold weather to her. This feels really nice.
It's quite impressive, guys. I'm really sorry I couldn't help you with my bow drill.
Yo, I have manned this fire. It's my pride and joy. And if anybody fucks with it or ruins it,
It's a lot of work to man a fire.
So upset.
Now imagine if we had to also chop the wood down. How do y'all like your marshmallows? I like mine basically burnt and then I blow it out and eat that shit.
No, golden brown.
Yeah, that takes some
Yes,
patience.
that's what I'm about. Wait.
Woo!
What was he? Spanish.
Oh yeah. It would be nice a little bit more brown, but I'll take it. Let's get the other side browned. Oh.
Right?
Toasty.
Okay, I'll hear some fire. My finger!
That's why that slow method doesn't work. You just gotta burn it. Burn it and blow it out. You guys are supposed to have everything ready before you heat up the marshmallow. Gotta be hot still.
You're slacking, okay?
Look at, oh my gosh, look at your marshmallow. That's why you have to have it ready. Oh, I see what you're doing.
I'm probably favored. Girl, you should have done it the other way. I'm already committed. White chocolate.
Look at God.
Yeah, you guys gotta fasten one like she's got.
Look at my stick. Oh my God.
She's got ideas.
With my funky.
Everybody else just got burns.
How did
Had to relocate because the wind decided to change directions. I'll take one. The gram. They really love the white chocolate.
Yeah, where's the white chocolate?
I think they're hiding it from the group.
Are you guys hiding the chocolate?
I have my phone.
I bought two. There's no way you ate two. There it is.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. This is gonna be a first for me. Snap that. Just put it right there. Thank you very much. This is going to be my new delectable. I need a mallow. Oh yeah. Cheers.
Cheers to Mallow. No, I'm not saying it.
Ooh, this is hot.
It is so hot.
I mean, like even from a distance, it's hot.
Like no fire.
No, look at that. It's smoking.
Guys, look at the
Haters. Look at these haters. My shit is on fire.
Did you guys finish that whole thing of graham cracker?
Did you finish that whole thing of white chocolate?
Yeah. I mean, I just broke it on.
Just fucking like burn. You're
Go.
on fire, babe. So sticky, it's not even funny. So
So many different things that are going on in this. Yeah, that's good.
Drea, you really fucking failed. We don't have a tripod.
Things aren't labeled.
The worst.
If it's not labeled white chocolate, dark chocolate, how are we supposed to know?
And if it's not actually pre-cut and pre-made, then what's the point?
Without a
I'm
tripod?
out here breaking my own graham crackers and breaking my own
There's no
chocolate apart.
tripod for the stick?
I can't see what I'm doing.
Oh, we don't make any sense.
Do you guys want to play Aim after I finish? Can you guys not film me? I'm just doing this.
2020.
Oh my god.
Can't read that. I don't know the name of anything, so this is horrible.
You guys fucking suck.
Pick a different category.
Fine.
Because I swear I'm really good at this.
Dropping the
Straight out of Compton.
where you are not.
Animals, we could do this. It stings you. Not a bee. Yep. It's a bird, not a turkey. Yeah. It's not a horse. It's a littler thing. And a, yep. It's really slow and it's, yes. Oh yeah, see, killing it. Animals, that's what it is.
Australian.
Not bingo, but
Who ate my baby?
what rhymes with bingo?
A bingo ate my baby. Koala?
It's a monkey.
Pink booty.
I said it earlier.
Pink
Oh.
booty.
Red
Not a gorilla, not a monkey,
The hematoma.
not a chimp.
I think so.
Rhymes with balloon.
And,
Balloon.
they have terrible memory.
You leave food out, there's gonna be a bunch of them.
Fire.
Fire blank.
They're decomposers. Just yeah. It's a cartoon.
Bye. It's really actually not so bad out. What? There's so many tripod stands. They told me to walk through it. I feel like that's just rude. Farewell, friends. Successful first bonfire at Dockweiler. Like, comment, subscribe. Pew, pew!